Every time you open a new AI chat, you start over. You re-explain your business, re-upload your documents, reset the tone. Claude Web Projects eliminate that entirely, giving you a persistent, context-rich workspace that already knows your business before you type a single word. Here's exactly how to build one. A Claude project is a dedicated workspace. Think of it as a private room where the AI holds your instructions, your documents, and your conversation history all in one place. No more copy-pasting context, no more repeating yourself. Name it clearly, whatever the use case demands. Pin it to your sidebar. From this point forward, every session inside this project picks up exactly where you left off. Building an effective Claude project comes down to 3 layers. Layer 1, files. Upload your business overview, SOPs, revenue models, pricing decks, or 90-day priorities. These are permanent. They don't disappear between sessions. Layer 2, instructions. This is where you define how Claude behaves specifically inside this room. You can tell it to challenge bad ideas, maintain a certain tone, or always cite your documents before drawing conclusions. This one box is the difference between a generic chatbot and a disciplined digital advisor. Layer 3, memory. Claude actively builds on what it learns about your preferences across sessions, without you ever having to repeat yourself. Here's where it gets practical. Because your business overview is already loaded and your instructions are set, you can skip the setup and go straight to the real question. Instead of generic advice, Claude references your actual offer stack and flags the gaps you haven't considered. Because your instructions tell it to challenge weak ideas, it warns you of the trade-off immediately, using your own numbers. That's not a chatbot. That's a thinking partner grounded in your reality. 3 reasons this transforms how you use AI at work. First, context at scale. You can load 15 full meeting transcripts and still barely touch 10% of the project's capacity. Nothing gets lost. Second, accuracy. When Claude reasons from your documents rather than the open internet, hallucinations drop sharply. The output reflects your business, not a generalized version of one. Third, compounding efficiency. The longer you use a project, the better calibrated it becomes. Your preferences get retained, your shortcuts get remembered. The AI gets sharper without any extra effort from you. A Claude project is only as strong as what you put into it. If you skip the instructions or leave the files section empty, you're back to generic output, just with a fancier interface. Equally important, keep your files current. Outdated documents produce outdated advice. Treat the files section as a living document, not a one-time upload. If your priorities shift, your project should reflect that within the same week. And if you're on a Claude Teams account, projects can be shared across your organization. But anything you want the AI to know must be added manually. It doesn't pull from external systems automatically. The single most effective practice for Claude projects? Align your files section to your current 90-day priorities and refresh them every quarter. Claude performs at its best when it has a clear, visible target in front of it. Give it your real goals, and it will actively help you reach them. Vague inputs produce vague outputs. Specific inputs produce specific, actionable intelligence. Claude projects turn AI from a one-off tool into a persistent, context-aware team member. One that gets more useful the more you invest in it. If you want to explore how intelligent automation can be embedded across your enterprise workflows, visit rpatech.ai and we'll show you what's actually possible.